You probably... Oh, there, you can see him down there.
See who?
There he is.
Oh, I'm like, what are we talking about? Oh, that's cool looking.
Yes.
Where is it? Is it not running? I've seen one car go by the whole time we've been on this.
Oh, I saw it already.
Oh.
Oh, wow. You can see really deep down in there. That's cool. This is the Loch Ness.
New team, welcome. We've just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore. Looks like Messi found it. We're trying to find out what's in
Alright guys, so we just got off the newly refurbed Loch Ness Monster, which is right behind us. I had never ridden this before.
Same.
I will say that the track is still a little bit rough. It's not super smooth. But they have added some really cool elements from what I understand. There's like a very long tunnel where there's projections and you can see the monster and stuff like that. And then when you go through the second loop, you can see, I didn't see it on the first loop even though they're intertwined.
Yeah.
But the second loop, there's actually like a Loch Ness Monster sitting there. So it's really cool looking. And the nice thing is, you know, it goes over the water and through the trees. So like it's just a really cool atmosphere. But overall it was really fun.
Yeah, and it's cool. I've always wanted to ride it since it's like the classic era one. Yeah.
Saying you mentioned it.
Oh, that you're tight in the seat? Yeah, yeah.
Oh, were you?
I guess tall people,
Oh.
yeah, your knees kind of hit the front of the seat.
Oh, I was comfortable, but I will say this. Getting in and out of the car requires an immense amount of effort, even if you're like in very good shape. Like, it is crazy. It's so deep in there, and you've got this little tiny space to climb in. So it would have been nice if they'd redesigned the trains in that matter. The seat was comfortable once I was in it, but I'm not super tall either, so...